So, a very late night message. Many of you may have heard of this peer, Chuff, who does the chuff and apparently changes the lives of people. He came to the city of Birmingham and particularly in Bingley Hall. Myself, along with other brothers and the Lion of Islam, Shaykh Asrar, attended the event and made sure it was shut down.
So it's an open public event, and they're illegal trespass. The cult leader regarding the false practice using. So do you need us to move for public disturbance?
Let me put it like this: is that the event's been cancelled?
Okay.
So you're not needed here.
No problem. We will leave. Please, let the officer speak, please.
Find out.
Absolutely. Illegal officer, lead the way. Lead the way. The seats all here. The seats all here behind us. So we gotta move round. The seats all behind us. We gotta move round. Yeah. You move. We move with you. Yeah. Events been cancelled. Events been cancelled. Takbir! 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 Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I came to the Bingley Hall straight after the Slough debate with the Shia. I came here now, straight from Slough. The Peer was here, Chuff Peer from Pakistan. He ran away, and it's all on the live stream. His murids don't seem well. So a lot of them are ill patients. I don't have any qualm with these murids. They start shouting.
Sat in this car.
We leave them. But the issue is Chuff Peer, you ran away. And the point was proven that you are not coming back. We waited and they called the police. So we've come out so as you can see.
Also, the event's been cancelled.
Event's been cancelled.
And he's run away.
So you're not welcome in Birmingham. Don't come to Birmingham again.
Inshallah. Takbir! Takbir!